First of all, government. So what is the meaning of the government? Government is one of the agent of state. So government is main executive of the state. So government exercised on the power of state. So government is implementation of the aims and objectives of the state. Greek political philosopher and the father of political science, Aristotle classified traditional governments, namely aristocracy, polity, and monarchy and democracy. So modern governments classified by the Stephen Leca. Now forms of the governments. First one, unitary government. Second one, federal government. Third one, parliamentary government. And fourth one, presidential government. Now first one, we have discussed first one, unitary government. So unitary government consists two words, uni and tari. Unitary government consists two words like uni and tari. Uni means one, tari means rule. All executive powers are centralized at central level or single government. So some features are there. Unitary government have the some features. So like centralization of powers, single legislature, and single citizenship. Single judiciary. Provincial government. So there are features of the unitary government. So centralization of powers, single legislature and single citizenship, and single judiciary and provisionals of governments. So all executive powers are centralization at central government. So that is unitary government. So now second one, federal government. So federal government, the word federation denotes associations of states. And the word federal is derived from Latin word onus, which means agreement or treaty. Normally, federation government means all powers divided and decentralization between the centralized state. So, for example, dual government, dual citizenship, and written constitution, rigid constitution, independent judiciary, and bicameralism. So there are features of the federal government: Biden constitution, regional constitution, independent judiciary, dual government, dual citizenship, bicameralism are features of the federal government. So best examples are USA, India, Canada, Australia. Third one, parliamentary government. It also known as cabinet government. And responsible government. And prime minister government. So first one, nominal executive and real executive. Nominal executive, all powers with name. Nominal executive, all powers in the name. Real executive, all powers with real. So in the parliamentary government, two executive bodies are there. First one, nominal executive, second one, real executive. So nominal executive are all powers within name, and real executive all powers with real. So the Council of Ministers under the Prime Minister of the India. Best example. Nominal executive, best example, the President of India and Queen of the England. So parliamentary government, good relationship between legislature and executive. The ministers are collective responsibilities to the Lok Sabha. So best examples of India, Japan, Australia. So best examples of the parliamentary government. Presidential government. So it also known as single executive government and non-responsible government. Single executive government and non-responsible government and fixed tenure government. So all executive powers are only with president. So president elected by the directly by the people. So no responsible to the legislature. No coordination and cooperation between legislature and executive. No responsible for the legislature. So president, creation of the cabinet and secretariat. So best example of the America.